Hi everyone, it's Bob at St. Louis RV. We're located in O'Fallon, Missouri. Really easy to find. Highway 70 at Bryan Road. Got some great news. The weather's being absolutely perfect for us. It's still camping season. We got a lot of stuff. I got fifth wheels, I got travel trailers, I got pop-ups, I got motorized Class Bs, and I got a brand new line I want to talk to you about. It's in the Crossroads division. This is their destination campers. It's called the Hampton. This one is absolutely perfect. I'm going to show it to you now. This particular camper is a 395 BAM. This is a destination camper, so this is one you can drop in place instead of buying a house or a condo. This is what you can put in place and you're going to love it. Huge entertainment. You got a huge couch, gorgeous windows. People like it because it's got a huge area, tall ceilings. This actually makes you feel like you're in a house. Nice big place to sit. The nicest thing about this, it's got a washer dryer room, which is kind of unbelievable. Huge washer dryer, so you got a place to do your wash. Got a gorgeous bathroom, almost looks like a residential. Nice shower, toilet, huge vanity, and the bedroom, you'll knock your socks off. It's got a slide, king size bed, all the storage that you need. This one is definitely one you want to look at. It's a 395 BAM. It's in the Crossroads division. You're gonna love it. Come see it today. This is our second Hampton. It's a 388 FKL, stands for front kitchen. A gorgeous kitchen, looks identical to what you might have in a house or an apartment. Beautiful, full residential fridge, place to sit, plenty of place to put things, full countertop, got a turkey oven, so you can actually get the bird done. And then over here is our living area. We've got a couch, which will make into a bed, 2 recliners, a full table. We have a loft up there that'll sleep 4. A full bathroom here, which is unbelievably nice. Another entrance to another loft, which goes here, which you can sleep more people. And then we got a full-size, queen-size bed with a slide, another bedroom with an entrance in the back, which is absolutely great. This one should sell very, very fast. Another camper that you put in place, and this can kind of be like your home. I think you're gonna like this. Come see this one today. Now, up here in the loft, we got plenty of places to sleep on the left and the right. So if you're camping, somebody shows up, you can put an additional 4 people here. This is an absolute great camper. We're so glad that we have it. Come see it today, and we're gonna do our best to try to help you out. Here's one of our brand new 2025 destination campers in the Crossroads division. It's a 372 FDB. Unbelievably nice. This is one that you put on lake property or drop it on land, and you don't have to buy a house. And this one is $74,995. Let me show you some of the things. Got a residential fridge, a beautiful cooktop, full oven, fireplace, 50-inch TV, got a couch that'll make into a bed, 2 recliners by Thomas Payne, top notch, got a nice table, chairs, half bath with a half bath here, which is always great if somebody just wants to use the bathroom real quick. Got a king size bed with a slide. Look at the storage. This just looks like a house. Everything looks gorgeous. Roofs are real high and a full bathroom. Everybody likes a bathroom. Nice shower, full countertop, lots of storage. Everybody likes this. You got to come see this one today because it's not going to last very long. Thank you.